Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and get Aloy in Genshin Impact. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So we can see right over here that Aloy is simply a playable crossover character, which is there introduced as a collaboration and crossover character between, you can see, Guerrilla Games and Hoyoverse. So if you would like to know whether we can actually activate the character or not, or is it available or not, so for that matter, the thing is that you can see, even if you go to can we get it, you can see unfortunately no, you can no longer get Aloy in Genshin Impact as of 2023. Before 2023 you could actually get her after completing a particular level. Once you have done playing, you will be able to activate her and play with the character. But as of 2023, in the listed over here information, you cannot have her. So this is basically it, guys. Unfortunately you cannot, and I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you got more questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.